Hello everybody, this is Sergey. I'd like to share a website you could use to practice English at home. So I want you to click on Google icon and go to Google search page. You will type news for you online. That's the website I'm going to go to. Hit enter. Here you will see the link to the website. It's in blue, so if you click it once, you will open the website. This is what this website looks like. You will need a password in order to use the materials on this website. So the free password that you will be using this month and in April is this 22667F. That's the free password that is going to be valid for next month up to April 30th. So we're in and we're ready to explore. News for You is a website that teaches you how to read, and you also learn some news. So it says learn to read the news. If you scroll down, you will see the articles that are available for reading today. Okay, the first one, for example, is on U.S. elections. If you go down, scroll down further, you will see some other articles. This article is on coronavirus and on health issues. Another article is about animals. World news, news from a country of Finland. For example, a history article, the one that is an entertainment article, some news from Hollywood, California. And here's another one, world news, and this article is about Iran. So these are the articles that are available for reading today. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 articles. If you are interested in reading any of these articles, you would have to open them. So you click on the title of the article you like, okay, and scroll down. Here is an article. A good thing about this website is that you can read the articles yourselves, or you can hear them. Here's an option for you to hear the whole story. If you click on that, then you will hear the whole article. If you want to hear a certain sentence, you can also click on the sentence and hear separate, like particular sentences. You can also change the text size if you'd like. Here are the buttons you can use to do that. So if you click plus, it will be larger print, larger font. Minus will be smaller print. So that's good. That's a good feature. Okay, if you like the article, and if you want to leave some comments, you're able to do so as well. Go all the way down. You'll see some comments section where you can leave your comment. You will type your name, and then and then you will leave your comments, and then you will post your comments by clicking this button. Great feature. Okay, so if you're done with one article, you can go back, click the back button, and go back to the home page where you can find more articles. If you're interested in this one in particular, has to do with coronavirus, you can read this article the same way. can hear it or read yourselves. Now you notice that some of the words in articles are in different color, like in blue, and these words are focused vocabulary words that you want to learn or review. If you put your cursor on the word, you will see its definition. Okay, so you can learn what these words mean or review what they are. Okay, that's a great feature. See those blue words all over. Okay. On the right side, you also have a list of vocabulary that is associated with the article, with one particular article. So if you want to know what these words are, you can just point with the cursor on the word and you will see what it means. Okay. There are some other features you could use here. You can do crossword puzzles, for example. Let's open one to see what's there. Here's an example, crossword puzzle. Let's do a couple of things together. Number one says meal of meat and vegetables cooked together, and it's across. So one across is like this. So would it be a stew? Let's try stew. Okay, it's stew. Okay. A card that beats a king. Number 5 across. It's ace. C E ace. Okay. Number 11, for example, 11 across. It says melody. If I don't know what the word is, I have no idea what it is, I can click hint and I get some help. In this particular case, I get the initial letter. The word starts with letter T. So, melody starts with letter T. Could it be tune? T-U-N-E? Okay, tune. Alright. And then after you're done, you can check your answers by hitting this check button. Okay, let's go back to our page with the article. So that's a crossword puzzle feature here. You can also do some word search. Okay, and you can read and print some free resources. For this page, we have 2020 news for your census issue, and a voting guide, news, and some others. You can click on one of these links and see the document in PDF format, which you can read, download on your computer, or print out if you'd like. Okay. So, okay, let's go back to the home page once again. Well, that's the website I would like you to use to practice reading at home. Once again, the free password is 22667F for the month of March and April. You can use it. You can type this password and it should work. So it's news for you. Learn to read the news. So try it, check it out. Let me know if you like it. Email me. Tell me what you think. If it was helpful. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.